Hello friends, are you looking how to send a Google Calendar invite via Gmail? Then this video is for you. So first open the Gmail and open the Google Calendar. From the 9 button here, click on calendar. Also, I'll put the link on the description box or in the comment box. Then find the suitable date that you want to make a booking. So today is 27. We'll go for the 4. Click the meeting name. Then choose the date. Date is already chosen. Choose the time. We'll put 6:15 to 7:15. Add a guest. In my case, I will put myself just to check how it looks in another person's perspective. Then to the location if you want to, click on save, then send the invitation. So here I have sent the invitation to my another Gmail address. So we'll go and see how it looks like from another end. So here the meeting is already came up. So open the invitation and here the another party will click on yes. Once they click on yes, then the your meetings will get updated. Click on refresh, open the invitation. You can see the green tick here. That means they are coming on your invitation or meeting. Or if they go and click on no, then here just refresh it. Then you can see this mark here which says the another party has declined your meeting. So this is how you send the Google Calendar invite via Gmail address or Google Calendar. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubt, then please let me know in the comment section. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.